generate definition, generate in a sentence, generate pronunciation, generate meaning. Welcome to another research paper word, American pronunciation of generate. Generate. Gen-er-ate. Generate. Generate as a verb means to produce, or to cause something to come about. Common usages in academic writing: to generate electricity, to generate power, to generate ideas, to generate profits, energy generation. Example sentences: generate, verb. To generate enough power, a new fuel had to be synthesized. Example sentence number 2, transport and traffic-oriented projects are also generating a lot of political interest and incentives. The common academic writing variation is generation, noun. Before the discovery of coal, wood burning was the primary source of heat generation. Please write a sentence using generate in the comment section. I will read it and reply. Now you know the pronunciation of generate, the meaning of generate, and generate example sentences. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.